Hi everyone, welcome back to Jamila's Time. Today's video I'm going to be doing the famous Gordon Ramsay's avocado toast, but with my own twist. For the new viewers, welcome to the family, and if you're already part of the family, welcome back to another video. Really simple meal. This is a meal you can do for lunch, evening, like snack. So for the ingredients today, we have land bro. It's kind of, I couldn't get the translation for it, but I googled around and the closest is sourdough bread. I have an onion, I have lemon, I have tomatoes, and I have avocado and pepper and salt. So this is something I wanted to say, that this is a disclaimer. When I watched Gordon Ramsay's video, he used some ingredients that I don't have in my house, because I'm trying to use the things I have in my house. I'm trying to use to also be cheap, because I don't want to spend money buying a lot of ingredients for videos. So I just sliced it this like length, like long, and that's it. So for the lemon, what I'm doing, I'm going to grind some of it here. I'm not going to slice my avocados right now, because like usually the avocado, when you leave it out for long or something like that, it tends to turn that black color that I really don't like. So I'm going to do the avocado slicing all the way in the end. So this type of bread that I was telling you, it looks like this on the outside. And it looks like this in the inside. I'm going to marinate the bread with olive oil. Honestly, I didn't get the reason why he put like spices on the bread, but I'm also doing it to season it. So but still, I'm not a person who eats bread with seasoning and all that. I only put butter usually. But let's go with the Gordon Ramsay recipe. So this is ready. Okay, that is another thing that I want to tell you guys. When he finished this step, he put the bread, he kind of grilled it on a pan, on a stove. But since I have like induction cooker, I'm going to grill mine in the oven. So while I put that in the oven, I'm going to be working on my other ingredients. So the bread is ready to go in the oven. I'm going to grill it in the oven at around 180 degrees for just maybe 5 to 10 minutes. For the onions, I'm going to fry it a little bit here on the pan. So remember, my bread is still in the oven. It actually doesn't have to stay in the oven for a long time. You just need to put it like 2.5 minutes flip, 2.5 minutes flip, and it's ready to go. I'm just going to add on a little bit of lemon juice. And for the tomatoes, I'm going to marinate them a little bit. Add in some olive oil, some salt and pepper, some lemon peels, and then mix. So like I said, I have grilled my bread in the oven for only 5 minutes. You want this brownish look when you grill your bread, which I think is so good. I'm going to first lay over some onions. Another tip I learned from watching Gordon Ramsay's video was, like, he said, you know how you're usually going to buy avocados and then you press them like this? He said like that damages the avocado. So to see if the avocado is ready, you have to press here, just up here, and if it's soft, that's ready. So both of my avocados are ready, but you know, in nowhere, I mean, this is the avocado we get. Like, where I come from, I feel like this is nothing. It has to be twice like this big, and it's so difficult for me to get good avocados in Norway. So right now I'm praying that these avocados have gone to Harvard University, like flawless and all that. See? Okay, this was good. Let's see. Ooh. Today is my lucky day. 2 good avocados. Wow. So, and then I'm going to place my avocados on top of the bread. So I'm kind of putting the cherries on the top like this. I feel like this is the part I loved most because he squeezed lime at the end to give it a little bit taste. And also he said the reason he squeezed lime on the avocados is because it prevents it to get that black things that always get on. And then we put spices. More spices. Basically this is salt and pepper. And then we are topping it up with the lime peelings. And voila, a twist of Gordon Ramsay's avocado toast. So this is my end product. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked the recipe. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment down below if you like the video. And also I'm open to doing challenges, so if you want me to do any recipe, comment down below and let me know which recipe you want me to do. Thank you. See you next time.